like just come out and knock some up.
Don't people like die?
Yeah, they like get really bad.
All right, so I can solve and graph absolute value inequalities. So this is kind of like equations. You'll see 6.
What? 6?
Okay, so this is kind of like graphing or solving equations. There's going to be 2 numbers. Okay, you're always going to have to split it into 2 problems. So if I say the absolute value, whoops, let me grab a pen here. Absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 3. That means that x is greater than or equal to 3, or x is less than or equal to -3. Why did I have to flip the sign around? Because it changed it to a negative. So we have to flip the sign around. Okay, so let's make a note. Switch sign when changing negatives and positives. Okay, can a number be greater than 3 and less than -3 at the same time? No, right? So that'd be an or problem. Okay, are you ready? All right, so the absolute value of x plus 5 is greater than 7. So when I write this, what are my 2 problems?
5 minus 7. 5 is greater than 5. Or
X plus 5 is greater than 7. Or x plus 5 is less than -7.
Oh.
So this one, you got to change the positive to a negative and flip the sign around.
So basically both things we've been learning.
That 7 next to that sign makes it look like 2 7.
Like,
Okay, so if I want to solve this, what do I have to do? Subtract 5. 7 minus 5 is, so x is greater than 2. On this side, if we subtract 5, what's -7 minus 5? -12.
is greater than.
So x is less than -12, or -12 is greater than x. Those are the same thing. Can a number be greater than 2 and less than -12 at the same time? No, so that means this is an or problem.
Yeah, what, okay, so what
It's always
changing?
Yeah.
Just adding
Yes.
in or, is that what's changing? From yesterday?
What's the question? There's like 8 questions.
What's like different from yesterday, just but one?
Now it's an inequality instead of an equation.
Yes, we did problems before.
Yesterday we had x equals 2 or x equals 3. And now it's x just has to be greater than 2. That's the only change. Okay, so if we graph this, we need to circle 2 and -12. Are we going to color those in? No, if it's an or statement, do the arrows go together or away from each other? Away from each other. So we need to color in the arrows this way.
Oh, I remember really learning this. This is gonna say. Yeah. Nope. Because I came back next week.
For no shade?
I don't know. I have a video.
Try number 2, see if you can do it.
Oh, is that what- No. Hey, I told you it's not better. Can we get 0?
You can get zero?
Yep.
Oh, I changed.
-8.
Yeah, how'd you get negative 4?
Simple job.
Jeez. How'd you get 8?
4, -4 minus 4 is -8.
Does anyone have access to the Oakland game? That's, Mr. Peters have plans. No one wants to spend $30.
All right, so my 2 problems should be what? X plus 4 is greater than or equal to 4. X plus 4 is less than or equal to -4.